Hey guys, Casey Ferris here. I make videos on DaVinci Resolve here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe for more of that. Hey, have you ever wondered why your camera looks like this in OBS? Well, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to use a color grade from DaVinci Resolve right inside of OBS. Here I am in DaVinci Resolve, and all I've done so far is I took a screenshot of my camera feed, and I'm just going to drag it here into Resolve. Here we are, there's that handsome boy. And the first thing I'm gonna do is right click and say create a new timeline using selected clips and hit create. All this does is just load this still into a timeline. That's all we need to do in the edit page. Now I'm gonna go over to the color page, clicking down right here. Then that brings that timeline here into the color page. This is where we can do all of our color stuff. So if you're familiar with color, this will make a lot of sense. If you're not, watch this video. Talks all about the basics of color correction. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'll bring up my scopes here, and I'm gonna do my color grade and make this look real nice. But I pretty much set my white point and set my black point. Make sure those look good. Make sure my saturation's tasteful. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. And now, if I open my clips here, all I have to do to get this into OBS is right click on it, and I'll go down to Generate 3D LUT, 65 point cube, and I'll save this somewhere where I can get to it. I'll call it something that makes sense. And now, inside of OBS, here we are. Ooh. I'll just open up studio mode so you can see what the heck we're doing. I'm gonna go to my camera. Right here where it says camera, I'm gonna right click and go to filters, and I'm gonna add an effect filter, apply LUT, and hit OK. And then I'm just gonna find that LUT. Here it is. I'll hit open, and boom. Make sure to sharpen it after the LUT, and I'll hit close. Yeah. Looks nice, right? Super easy. That's how you get a color grade from Resolve into OBS. Super simple. By the way, if you want to learn more about how Resolve works and all of that, if you want to get into video editing a little bit more, I actually have a master training available right here. It goes through all the basics from start to finish on how to make a video in Resolve. Pretty freaking sick. Yeah, I think it's sick. I think it's tight also. Rad. It's boss. All the words the kids like.